So you might be having some cell issues on your Android phone. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, it means that you essentially have some sort of like network issues on your Android phone, and for some reason, that network may not be working properly, or a bunch of other things. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do, and the main way to go and fix this, is to go ahead and essentially just double check your network connection. So, swipe down from the very top, you can come into this specific panel, and you're going to just want to double check your internet. If you're on the internet or if you're on Wi-Fi or whatever, you should be able to see a bunch of stuff come up, and it will essentially tell you your Wi-Fi and your cellular and all that other stuff. All you're going to want to do is just make sure that you're connected to a proper network connection of some sort, and your eSIM or SIM card or whatever is properly set up too. Now, there can be some times that you're in an area that just doesn't have good signal. So if that ends up being the case, place like a basement somewhere or like in the middle of a city sometimes, in the middle of buildings and stuff, sometimes that stuff may not work properly for your network. So what you're going to have to do there is pretty much just either get into an area that has better signal or something like that that will usually end up fixing the problem. Now, another thing you may want to try doing is seeing if you can connect to a Wi-Fi connection. So this can be another big, massive thing I'd recommend doing. So just double check your network connection. As you can see, I have network and internet here. All you want to do is just double check that network connection, that Wi-Fi, whatever, connect to a better Wi-Fi signal. And like I said, for a lot of people, that could potentially end up fixing the problem for you too. On top of that, the other thing you may want to try doing is seeing if you can update your Android phone. So go inside of your system software of your specific phone, try to find a system update panel that looks something like this, and you want to see if there is an actual update available. Probably for a lot of people, there might actually be an update available. So all you're going to have to do here is just go through and update your particular device, and that can probably end up fixing the problem again for a lot of people as well. If there's no update available, you can try just restarting your phone, and that might end up fixing the problem too. So those are just a couple ways to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.